Where is my senator? You see him? Okay, yes. That issue. Peter for Nigeria. Peter for Natasha. Natasha for Nigeria. The princess of the Senate. You are taking your place today. You are a senator. Nobody can remove you. Your people are with you. God is with you. This is the wife of Alan. Hey! Akpabio don't play. Akpabio don't play. And share it. For where? For this country. Akpabio, you lie. I say, Akpabio, you are a liar. Natasha must resume. Akpabio, you go hear word. Akpabio, Akpabio, Akpabio. Akpabio, you go hear word. Natasha must resume. Akpabio, since you won't let the revolution start with you, we go reach National Assembly. We are going to that National Assembly. And Shereni, I say Natasha will resume today. No woman, no nation. Mama P. Oh God. People, they die. Insecurity. You are fighting another woman for 6 months. Na lie. Na lie. Akpabio, you are a liar. You are not God. Natasha, they resume. Who is you? Where is my distinguished senator? Oh, Mama P. Oh, Tori Olong. Where is Aisha Yesufu? Where is Hajia? Okay. Yes, that's the energy. Hajia don't leave distinguished because it's even causing more delay. That protocol. 3 arms of government, Tinubu, Wike, and Akpabio. You want to become oracle for this country? Everything plus electoral reform. Now there. Now we go sleep for National Assembly. Now we go sleep. Akpabio must hear word. Mama P.
What the hell?
Oh. Akpabio. Natasha must resume. Natasha must resume. For where? Oh. Where we don't pass, so my Tamabi, we are going, Transcorp, we are going towards National Assembly. Make everybody, they go there. Bandits, they do press conference or casino. You are not interested. Hunger, insecurity, unemployment, inflation.